big bulge you got there, buddy. Put that away. What the heck are you doing?
Changing my shorts.
Guys, I just got done editing day one footage, our arrival. And we have no sound for most of everything.
None.
Zero.
Bullshit.
So I'm going to put together, basically, we're going to start all over.
It's going to be...
Because I suck.
It should be like the Three Stooges.
At doing...
With like piano music in the background.
Vlogs.
And just fast forward the whole entire deal.
Vlog number 1, arrival. Now, you know what? We're just going to jump into the next day. We're going to go to the weigh-in. The takeoff.
Takeoff, yeah.
Expo weigh-in. I'm going to show you guys a few clips of us at the airport. Nothing really makes sense without sound.
Dude, I'm telling you, piano music like Three Stooges and just fast forward everything.
Pretty much, guys. I suck at life. It's not me, really. It's GoPro. Sound's probably not on right now.
We'll find out.
We will. So that's what we're going to do. Enjoy! I'm frustrated right now. Really frustrated. Yo, yo, it's SmallmouthCrush on the way to the Bassmaster Classic 2018, Greenville, South Carolina! Woo! Oh, man, how was that for an intro? Yo, yo, yo? No. It's been fun today, guys, but listen, I got zero, like very little audio from this morning's video. So we're just going to go into it. I'll let you guys catch up. We'll see you on the flip side.
See, you want to flick Funny Man from Boondock Saints.
Say what?
The Funny Man from the Boondock Saints.
I don't know what that
Catch
means.
you on the flip side. You've never seen that movie?
No.
He has never seen the movie Boondock Saints.
Never.
Blow his comments up saying how much of an idiot he is.
Boondock Saints?
Yeah.
Never even heard of her.
Oh, never mind.
Alright.
Never mind.
Alright. Let's go. Yo, yo, welcome to SmallmouthCrush. We are en route to the Bassmaster Classic. Just meeting Matt here at the Philadelphia airport, heading down to Greenville, South Carolina. Who knows what's in store for today? So hopefully Matt's flight came in. He's coming from Pittsburgh, and we're gonna meet here in Philly and head down. I hardly made it today. You wouldn't even believe what happened. It was bad. Alright, we made it to the big day, day one. Lake Hartwell. We handed out our beanies. We handed out our thundersticks. We handed out those Mercury finger thingies.
Here comes Rod.
We got Rod over there. You guys remember Rod from last year? We got Matt.
Rod,
Matt. What's up? Say hi to the folks at home.
Hey, here we are.
And
rise and shine.
So we're just hanging out.
Bassmaster Classic time.
It's not that cold. It's actually a pleasant morning. A little bit of breeze. There he is. What's up, Rod?
Good morning, everybody.
SmallmouthCrush?
Oh, hell yeah.
Okay. So now we just kind of hang out, wait for the boss to say, hey, let's head back to the hotel. Get a little bit of sleep, a little nap, and we're going to go check out the expo. But first, we got to watch the guys take off, make sure everything's legit.
Yeah, literally. we know all about the guy that names himself legit.
Legit. First, we're going to take a little nap. Then we're going to the expo. And then we're gonna go to the weigh-in.
Did you ask me a question?
I tried, but you guys were talking.
Sorry, I was talking
It's
about
all
my
good.
wristband and I
It's
couldn't
all
get a
good.
cup of coffee.
How'd you guys get hats?
What do you mean? We brought these from home. Yeah.
Did you get one of these?
No, I didn't get the diddly squats.
No.
Cuz you're late.
It is what it is. So they say. All right, so we're gonna grab something to eat first, in case you guys are wondering. You never know. Some people might be wondering: is Matt and Travis getting enough nutrition? Does liquid nutrition count? Sure. Sure. Perhaps. Well, parking was a little tight for us, but we got in. We made it to the expo.
Oh my God.
And you know what?
It's the same
We
thing
realized
every year.
it's the same thing. Lots of people, high-priced fishing tackle,
Yep.
and jerseys.
Everywhere. Everybody's a pro.
Oh well. We're gonna do a little bit of footage, but this is definitely getting old. In a good way. Man. Alright, of course we had to make it to the Mercury booth.
Oh, absolutely. First stop. First stop.
First stop. And what are we talking about? And we got my lovely boss, Michelle. She's great. Alright, let's go take a look at nitro boats. Where are they at?
That's what you want to look at. 240 months.
So, Matt's checking out the new Legend. It is a sweet one. Alright, we gotta keep going. We got work to do.
Yeah, we do.
We just talked to Cody. Cody's in for the festivities later. Yeah. Guide these people around?
Yeah, no, but you're gonna talk about it.
100-point bells, 50-point bells, we've got little
Rod,
casting competition targets over there in the right-hand corner. On the
I mean, this is
left-hand corner, we got some more.
incredible.
I know we're
This is
fishing
the
with your
first
favorite rod, so
human motors. Can
we're
you believe
practicing
this?
here.
This is the
Give
new
these guys a
technology.
few warm-up
Strap
shots.
one of these on the back of
We're
the
going to start.
power is unbelievable.
Well, we got some backups of your backlash.
All right,
Don't
guys,
tear
you
them
ready?
up.
All right, let's
Come on in, everybody. We got Jonathan Van Dam here.
Alright, so now we're going to head to the weigh-in. Jason Aldean's actually going to be playing a concert after the after all the anglers weighed in. We do have to hand out those thundersticks. So these are just those noise makers. It's a pretty big hit, but we try to hand out to everyone who comes through the door. Matt's getting into it here. And once that's done, we go up to the suite where it's free. Alright, so thundersticks are all handed out, right?
Right.
I mean, job number one is
Look at 'em,
done
look at
for
'em all.
today.
Look at 'em
And
all.
That's right. That's right.
All the green.
Now we're gonna hit B.A.S.S. Major sponsors are all located up in that section.
There's a reason.
Awesome. That was great, sir. Enjoy.
Just relax and watch it.
It's not only my passion and my job.
Barnabas Hooker Trout, our goal is to provide you with the performance fishing gear that empowers you on and off the water.
So the weigh-in went to about 7:30 or so, and then Jason Aldean took the stage. Ended up singing a few songs, and we stuck around for that. And then, of course, once that was over, we were done for the day. Said goodbye to everybody. Got the heck out of there. Only to do it all over again the next day. Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Leave any comments and likes below. And as always, we'll see you guys on the water.